This is the original oven thermostat, which is being replaced with this part thermostat. And I'm going to show you the wiring, the way the wiring, electrical wires are being done on this. And the model number on this unit is MODEL-RCS304BSS. You take 2 screws off from these sides, one from here, one here, 4 and all of them. And here's the thermostat. This is your temperature sensor wire that goes straight here. This connector for the broil, bake, and then this main line goes to these connectors. And then this red wire has this connector which is taped off, runs from here. This connector, the wire runs from here, goes straight from here to the indicator light on other side of the indicator light. And then other side of the indicator light, which is the neutral, runs on this double connector. You can see this. I got neutral coming here. This is neutral. This is also other side of the neutral. So this thermostat comes with this black and white connector. The black connector goes here. The white, which is the neutral, is splits in half and goes both ways. One goes to the main neutral, the another one goes to the other side of the indicator light, which is located right there. And that's how you're supposed to wire these. And I will also show you the ignition module, the way the wires are going here. I got white, black, orange, creamish color, gray, yellow, orange, red. Also, you can see the neutral as the white, L as the line 1, which is the positive, ground. So switch 1 is the gray, switch 2 is yellow, switch 3 is the orange, switch 4 is the red. And of course, when you remove the thermostat capillary tube, which is this one, goes inside of the oven. When you remove this, the new thermostat also comes with a couple bits and pieces. You have to connect your temperature sensor, which is RTD wire. It comes rewired already. And this is the temperature sensor. You're gonna insert it at the back of the unit and pull it out from inside of the oven. At the same time, this is your gas safety valve. The top and the bottom also has 2 wires. So this is this safety gas valve is for bake and broil on this unit. And that's your main gas regulator. Of course, these are your burners. They're very common. It's very simple. Electrical wires on these. And of course, your switches. Yeah, that's all.